mommy this?
Oh, this? It's our new juicer.
Really?
Yeah.
Fun.
So, hey guys, we are going to unbox our brand new Omega J8006HDC. It's such a complicated name.
Rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? Omega 8006 HDC.
Call me now.
I'm considering a name change. I don't know about you.
What would you call it?
I don't know.
You know, this kind of looks like a meat, like sausage grinder machine. Like when I first saw it, I was like, oh, this thing was kind of gross because I just kept picturing like, you know, this processed meat coming out of it on the other end. And apparently this juicer had more than one usage. You can't make meat, I don't think so. Maybe you could, but
I promise not to try.
please don't make meat in this juicer. You can make pasta. You can make baby food, and
I think nut butters.
And I think nut butter. Yeah, good memory.
Peanut butter. Yeah.